Hi there! Welcome to Say It Right. Today's word is Worcestershire. It's spelled Worcestershire, but don't let the spelling fool you. Here's the trick. The correct pronunciation is actually Worcestershire. Let's break it down. Ready? Say it with me. Worcestershire. Say it again with me. Worcestershire. Great job. Now, what does Worcestershire mean? Worcestershire is the name of a county in England, but it's also known as a type of sauce, a popular ingredient in cooking. Here's an example sentence. I love adding Worcestershire sauce to my steak. Or, Worcestershire is known for its beautiful countryside. See how it's used to describe a place and also a common food item? All right, let's practice it one more time. Ready? Say it with me. Worcestershire. Awesome. You nailed it. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share. And remember, keep practicing, and I'll see you next time on Say It Right. Take care.